Hello Smarties! Today we will learn the Arabic alphabets. We are going to be looking at the wave letters. You all know what waves are, right? When you go to the beach for a fun day, what do you see all around you? You see the waves of the ocean. Our first wave letter is the letter Noon. Noon has one dot on top. The letter Noon makes the N sound. Here is our letter Noon, but it has something on top. What's that? That is called a Fatha. The Fatha makes a sound. Noon Fatha makes the N sound. Here we have all the Noon Fathas lined up together. Can we read it together? Na, 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 na. Our next wave letter is the letter Thaa. The letter Thaa has two dots on top. Two dots, Thaa. The letter Thaa makes the T sound. Thaa with a Fatha, Thaa. Ta, 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 ta. Our next wave letter is the letter Thaa. The letter Thaa has three dots on top. Thaa. The letter Thaa makes the Th sound. Th. To say this letter easily, you should remove the tip of your tongue. When you remove the tip of your tongue, you can say it very easily. Thaa. Thaa Fatha, Thaa. Thaa, 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 Thaa. So now we have looked at three wave letters. The letter with one dot on top is our letter Noon, two dots on top, Thaa, and three dots on top, Thaa. Let's try this one. It has three of our wave letters mixed together. Na, Ta, Ta, Tha, Ta, Na. Next one. Ta, Ta, Tha, Na, Ta. Let's do one more. Tha, Ta, Tha, Na, Ta, Ta. Very good. So one dot on top, Noon. Noon Fatha, N. Two dots on top, Ta. And three dots on top, the letter Thaa. Let's move to our next wave letter, which has one dot below it. The letter Ba. The dot below it, Ba. The letter Ba makes the B sound. Ba, B. Ba Fatha, Ba. Ba, 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 ba. Our last wave letter is the letter Ya. And how many dots below it? Two dots. Two dots below it is the letter Ya. It makes the Y sound. Ya Fatha, Ya. Here we have all our Ya with Fathas lined up together. Ya, 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 Ya. Did you notice the Ya at the end? It has a cute little tail. Now let's look at our two letters which have dots below it, the letter ba and the letter ya. Ba has 1 dot below it and ya has 2 dots below it. Let's read this together. Ya, ba, ya, ya, ba. Very good. Next question. Ba, ba, ya, ba, ya. Excellent. So now I have a few questions for you. Can you spot the letter noon? Where is our letter noon? Noon has 1 dot on top. So here is our letter noon. Can you spot the letter ya? Where does ya have its dots? At the top or at the bottom? At the bottom. 2 dots at the bottom. So here is our letter ya. Now I have a challenge question for you. If you are ready to read this by yourself, you can pause the video here and read it independently. If you feel you need a little bit help with the wave letters, we'll read it together. Come with me. One dot on top, na, 2 dots, ta, 3 dots, tha, 1 dot below the letter ba, na, 2 dots on top, ta, and 2 dots below the letter ya. Let's read it again. Na, ta, tha, ba, na, ta, ya. Very good. This brings us to the end of our lesson, so let's do a quick revision. Noon, ta, tha, ba, ya. Those were our wave letters. Until next time, ila liqa. See you again.